Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson. I'm going to do a video walkthrough of our 2023 L23 Bennington, newly arrived boat. Start off with the interior in this boat. It's the radius seating. This boat has gorgeous interior. It's got the platinum with the carbon accent with the really cool new detailed stitching. It's got the front table here that's removable, so lots of seating up front. Coming on over to the helm here, we did the Simrad 5-inch screen on this boat with the Rockford Fosgate upgraded stereo head unit. Got the nice comfortable captain's chair with the nice back, raised for support for your legs there. Also the co-captain's seat, same seat, very comfortable, swivels forward back, leans back, and the convenient cup holders here in the speaker for your passenger. Coming around back here to the radius, you got the removable cup holders, nice big full radius seating for lots of room, big wide area for leg room. We did the blackout package on this boat. So as you can see, all the railing on the inside here and on the bimini is black. Really cool detailed on this boat. It will be equipped with a Yamaha 150. I'm going to come down side here, get you a look at the outside of the boat as I go down. Did the beautiful bronze paneling with the black out package. Really cool styling on this boat. And this is a tri-tune. So come on out to Greenville, check out this 23L Bennington radius seating configurement, and it will be online at MarineMaxGreenville.com, or you can give us a call at 864-236-9005.